Hi po mga ka-teach! So this is Teacher Jen. So sa mga nagtatanong po, so dito po sa Arizona is pwede ka na pong hindi mag-take ng exam to obtain the Arizona International Teaching Certificate. Yun po ang ginawa ko, hindi na po ako nag-take ng exam. Pero hindi naman po binabawalan ang pag-take ng exam to have a longer validity ng inyong teaching certificate or teaching license. For my case, so yung teaching license ko is nakadepende kung hanggang saan ang validity ng aking DS 2019. So ano bang mga pinaghanda ko o ginawa ko to obtain the International Teaching Certificate for my major. So kumuha po kami ng application form for International Teaching Certificate sa Arizona Department of Education na site. So, at naghanda po kami ng $60 for the payment for the International Teaching Certificate fee. Tapos po, kumuha po kami ng valid Arizona fingerprint clearance card. Kinuha po namin yan once na nakarating na po kami dito sa Arizona. At kumuha din po kami ng credential evaluation. So, ang ginawa po niyan is yung foreign credential evaluator ng ating transcript of records, ipo-forward po nila directly sa their certification department of Arizona Department of Education ang atin pong TOR to secure the validity of your transcript of records. Aside from that, kailangan din po magpasa ng job offer o contract from your school. At saka ang last na ihahanda is ang DS 2019. Yun lang po at bibigyan ka na po nila. At once ma-evaluate na ng Arizona Department of Education, is bibigyan ka na po nila ng teaching license kung saan naka-indicate kung anong subjects ang pwede mong turuan at anong level ang pwede mong turuan. In my case, I am International Secondary Teacher, major in Math for grades 6 to 12. So pwede po akong mag-apply na magturo from grade 6 up to grade 12. Yun lang po.